One of Eric's favorite authors, science fiction author Dan Simmons, once wrote, "In the end, when all else is dust, loyalty to those we love is all we can carry with us to the grave. Faith, true faith, was trusting in that love."
Life is basically a string of moments, and we often spend much of our lives rushing from one moment to the next, hardly even knowing that they passed us by. And for as infinite as those moments seem, there are so very few moments that define our life stories, and so fewer still where we get to pick the loved ones that will be with us during those defining moments. And a wedding is one of those moments.
Love is lost and love is found. It gets you high, then pulls you down. It brings you to your knees, then comes and sweeps you off your feet. Love is blind but helps you see. It makes you cry, makes you believe. It spins you round and round, then puts you back on stable ground. But I would do it all. I would do it all. I would do it all again with you.
It's a really nice dress.
Thank you. You look so handsome.
Eric and Kristen's story is one of authenticity, of being their genuine selves in their mutual search for each other. As I'm sure everyone knows, Eric and Kristen met online. No fake profiles, no catfishing. They met and fell in love as their genuine selves. And just as they are then their genuine selves that they present to the world, so too is their love and connection with one another genuine. How many first dates go on for 3.5 hours and end in a mutual reluctance to part? How many romances discard the safety of movies and dinners out and cut straight to the vulnerability of Renaissance fairs, Cubs games, Civil War reenactments, and ballroom dances? And how many courtships does a growing friendship keep pace with passion? Too few. I, Eric, take you, Kristen, to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I, Eric, take you, Kristen, to be my lawfully wedded wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer or for poorer.
For richer or for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
I, Kristen, take you, Eric, to be my lawfully wedded husband.
I, Kristen, take you, Eric, to be my lawfully wedded husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Kristen and Eric have chosen to symbolize their union with the Daruma doll unity ceremony. The Daruma doll is modeled after the Bodhidharma, who's the founder of the Zen tradition of Buddhism. The dolls are symbols of perseverance and good luck. And they're sold in Japan, and they're sold with large blank eyes. And the owner fills in one of the eyes upon setting a goal, and then fills in the other eye upon achieving it. Kristen's goal was, of course, to find her soulmate, the person with whom she could spend the rest of her life, to love and be loved. This is a wish that Eric has shared for as long as I've known him. In declaring your intent today, you both have reached your goals, and so it is time to complete the Daruma doll. Eric, the second eye is yours.
But I would do it all.
By the strength of your love and commitment, and by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the state of Illinois, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss. It is my great honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Eric and Kristen Turlip.
Does the destination matter, or is it the path we take? I declare that no accomplishment has substance nearly as great as the road used to achieve it. We are not creatures of destinations. It is the journey that shapes us. Our calloused feet, our backs strong from carrying the weight of our travels, our eyes open with the fresh delight of experiences lived.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you this afternoon. Here's the reason we're all here, folks. Give it up for the new Mr. and Mrs. Eric and Kristen Turlip, everybody.
Oh, baby, hold me like it's the last time that you're gonna hold me for a while. Yeah, babe, you read my mind and know what I like. When I take you dancing and spin you around me, you pull my body in so tight. Yeah, babe, you read my mind and know what I like. I wake up, bless each day, thank God I found you. Something about you. There ain't never gonna be such a good girl that can love me all through the night, and that's what I like. Yeah. Put you in a long dress, I'll put you in my t-shirt. Either way, you're a sight for these sore eyes. Yeah, morning, noon, or night, you got what I like. I wake up, bless each day, thank God I found you. Something about you. There ain't never gonna be such a good girl that can love me all through the night, and that's what I like. Come on, boys. Oh, I like that. Sounds good to me. Alright. You're looking pretty good right now. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Little touch and little teasing. Girl, you know just what I'm needing. Kiss my neck each time you squeeze me. Baby, notice how to please me. So, babe, let's take our time, 'cause we got all night.